I've been playing various video games with both my mice and my controller for a while now. Controllers are not as precise or fast as mouses, but mouses take up so much space on your desk. I was humbly scrolling through my YouTube feed when I stumbled upon this video, and I was impressed. What if he used this for gaming? It seemed a perfect trade-off between mouses and controllers in terms of space and precision. By the end of this video, I'll try various games with gestures and see if they are the ultimate solution to gaming input. So I jumped onto my Galaxy Watch and opened the Play Store. I looked for the app referred to in this video called Double Point, but instead it was called Wow Mouse. I downloaded it, connected it to my laptop using Bluetooth, and voila, just like that. And to click, all I need to do is pinch. Let's start with Geometry Dash. I was expecting input lag to be somewhat high, but this is actually super bad. During the first few moments where there is some gap between the spikes, you actually get an idea of the input lag and can kind of predict when to pinch. But it is during these areas where the input lag screws you up. Plus, you can't pinch your fingers as fast as clicking a button or the screen, which is where the gestures really fall apart for Geometry Dash. I'm on my first level, on my 35th attempt, and I'm struggling to go past 10% here. Now, on a Fortnite, can't fully play this game with gestures, so I'm going to be using the keyboard to move around. When I first started the game, it was really cool to just turn like that by moving my wrist. But the problem started 2 minutes into the game. First of all, wrist pain. In Geometry Dash, you didn't have to move your wrist much, so I didn't feel it. But after a few minutes into Fortnite, the pain is pretty distracting, and it caused me to deviate my focus from the game. Forget the opponent, I was in a constant 1v1 with carpal tunnel throughout the entire game. Another thing I absolutely missed was you can't right click to aim, so you kind of have to just somewhat precisely aim, completely killing my claim about precision being better than a controller. And similar to Geometry Dash, you can't really pinch fast, meaning you can't shoot fast, meaning you're just doomed. After playing these two games, I realized gesture gaming is pretty much a bad choice for all games except this, chess, which I guess is not even a video game. Even in chess, it doesn't really add value to the game itself, but just makes the experience cooler. Unless you want to show a bunch of cool tricks to your friend, this ain't it. This app isn't the solution. If you really want a good addition to your gaming setup, check out one of these videos to get a new monitor. That's it for this video. This is Rishi signing off.